Welcome to our most popular multi-generational floor plan in Central Florida. This home has it all, a gorgeous open floor plan and an apartment with its own entrance. You can build this coast to coast in Central Florida from Tampa, Orlando, all the way to Daytona Beach. Different price points, different communities. You're gonna love the floor plan. Let's take a look. Walking through this spacious hallway, that is the way to your garage and your apartment, which is open. Of course, you can close it. We're going to show you the separate entrance later, so wait for that. I love this model, guys, and look at how it opens up. This is truly a gorgeous, gorgeous, spacious home. You would never even think that it has its own apartment garage, which is incredible. And look at this kitchen. This kitchen is a perfect place for gathering, and you have an informal dining room, your formal dining room, and your master right behind. Master closet. It goes all the way around, and also you have your separate water closet, you got your garden bathtub, your shower, you got something for every taste in the master bathroom. Another thing, guys, did you know that over 17% of the sales last year were multi-generational homes? And so this particular model, again, you can build it all over Central Florida. It's perfect if you want to rent out one part, if you have your grown kids that aren't quite out of the house yet, or if you're thinking about your grandparents or your parents and you want them to age in place. This floor plan has something for everyone. So there are 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms in the main house, and then you have the full apartment, almost 2,700 square feet, if not a little over. And I love this Jack and Jill. This house is full of efficiency. If you don't know what a Jack and Jill is, this is Jack. And then come on over through the bathroom. And this is Jill. Press subscribe and say the word, comment the word guide to get our free guide on all the hottest 55 plus sexy cool communities and the multi-generational friendly communities you can be by the ones you love. So this is door number 1, your main entrance, and let's check out door number 2. So now that you've seen door number 1, take a look at this beautiful private entry for door number 2 to your apartment home. So come on into door number 2, the separate entrance of the apartment. And I'm loving this apartment, guys. It has high ceilings. You see you've got your whole kitchen with a full-size refrigerator. You've got a nice little place to put your television, entertainment, a cozy living room. But check out this master. If you take a look, you'll see this is a huge master. This one even has the tray ceiling. So you have that luxurious feel, you have that privacy, and even the closet, you can't complain. You know, if you have that in-law or you have someone that you're living with and they're getting their own place, they're getting a big closet and a full-on master suite bathroom, ensuite bathroom. One of my favorites, guys. It is such a great investment. So if you're thinking you want to live with your family or you want a little investment property, this is the one for you. Click subscribe and comment the word multi-gen guide, and you're going to receive all of the new construction multi-generational homes that have all different types of floor plans if this one doesn't float your boat. And again, you can build this one almost in every area of Central Florida. So I can't wait to connect with you. Go ahead and click on our Zoom link if you would like your free VIP strategy session with me and my team, and we will see you on the next video.